Hi dressing cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Uni from If. So let's get started. To draw this cute unicorn, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now I have my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have the two eyes in. I'm going to come to the top and put in 3 lashes. So one, center one being longer, and another one. And same thing here. So one shorter, one longer. So just like the original. But with my draw so cute eyes, of course. So then now from there, let's go ahead and draw the brow. So I'm going to come up, say about right here. And we're going to slant a curve down. And I'm going to come in here and thicken this up. Just shade it in. Same thing on the other side. About right here. Curve it down and thicken it up. There. And then we need to draw the mouth and nose area. So right underneath this these eyes, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve. Curve right underneath, so about right there. And then we're going to come right here and pop out curve for the nostril, so same thing here. And then we're going to just continue this, so continue it down and bring it in. And connect. There. And then come right back in this space, and we're just going to draw a curve right here. And same thing here, just for some details. Then right underneath this part, we're just going to draw a soft curve right at the bottom for the mouth. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to start to draw the head shape. So to make it a little bit easier, let's see here. Let's come to the top of the eye. So say about right here, like where this lash is. And I'm basically going to draw an angle line down. So right where the eyes are, right about here. Start with an angle line, and then we're just going to kind of dip it in and then come out for the cheeks and bring it out. So actually it's very subtle, so you can just, if you like, dip it in and come out. I think it shows up a little bit more on this side. And then curve it around the mouth, the snout area. Keep curving it around. And then about right here, we're just going to go down for the neck. There. Okay, so then now let's work on the top. So we're going to bring this up over the brow to about right there. And same thing over here. Just bring this all the way down. Connect it. And then in the center space is where we're going to start the mane. So I'm say about right here, just going to pop this out and up. And I'm just going to go around it perhaps, and then wiggle, wiggle a strand right about here. There. And then whatever space you have left, just finish it up. And then just for some strands, I'm going to come in here, some lines. to add some color. There. Okay, so then on the sides, we're going to pop this out right about here. And then go around the face and say maybe right here, we just kind of pop out a strand and then wobble and connect. So same thing on the other side. Wobble. And connect. And then once again, same thing, just come in here with some lines so you can put in some color. There. Okay, so now that we have that, of course we need to draw the horn, the uni horn. So come up to the center, say about right here. Gonna round this off and then just bring it down into this space. There, and then just draw in some curves all the way down. There. And then of course we have to have ears. So on the sides right here, let's pop in some of these unicorn ears, round off the tip and bring it in. Then right here, bring it in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Round off the tip and in and curve. So it's a little bit thicker on the top side. There. So we're finally done with the head. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's bring this neck down. And then about right there, since I'm trying to make it a little bit shorter, since I don't have a lot of vertical space, I'll just end it about right there. And then I'm going to pop out these shoulders. There. And then let's come out. We're going to have the hands bent. So let's say about right here, we're going to draw a curve. Curve. And then I'll work on this side first. I'm going to bring in, come down, round it off for the elbow. And connect. And then right here, we're going to add a hoof. So same thing on the other side. The elbow, and come down, and connect. And once again, the hoof. Then let's just imagine this come out the body. So let's say about right here. The bottom is wider, so we're just going to pop it out about right here and connect it. There. And then the center, we're going to come in here and draw a curve. Bring it down. And same thing here. And then it's going to come through and taper in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. Let's come and draw the legs. So this is our center. We're going to come to the left, come to the right. So let's come right about here and here. So it's a little bit wider towards the bottom. And round it off. And a hoof, just like the hands. So same thing here. And the hoof. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the tail. So right about here, just gonna bring it down towards the bottom floor, right here about the same level. And then we're gonna drop this down and go around and connect. And then once again, just gonna come in here lightly with some lines. So you can add in as many colors as you like. There. I think this line should go away. One of these lines will go away. It looks kind of weird, but okay. And then from there, I'll fix it when I start to color it. And then on the sides right here, I think we need to just put an indication of it. So I'm just going to come right here at the main and the back. And then just kind of taper it in. And that is pretty much it, except I need to put it, oh, and there's like hearts on the back, so I'll just put one right here just so we know there's hearts on the sides right here. And then but I need to put a heart, so I'll just put my heart right here in the center, nice and light, to make this my just so cute uni unicorn from the movie If. I really hope you love how this unicorn turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.